Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Navi scooter is experiencing software glitches, pairing issues, or unusual settings, a factory reset can often bring the device back to its original condition. Over time, temporary errors or incorrect configurations may affect the performance of the Navi scooter, making it less responsive than normal. Fortunately, restoring factory settings is a straightforward process that can help eliminate many common issues. Whether you're troubleshooting or preparing the scooter for a new owner, starting fresh can make a big difference. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help you successfully factory reset your Navi scooter. Try these. Step 1. Power off the Navi scooter and place it in a secure position. Step 2. Make sure the Navi scooter has enough battery charge before beginning. Step 3. Access the reset option or button available for the Navi scooter. Step 4. Allow the Navi scooter enough time to complete the factory reset process. Step 5. Reconnect the Navi scooter to its companion app if necessary. Step 6. Verify that the Navi scooter has been restored to its default settings and is operating normally.